So guys, I'm walking down the street of Tokyo and nagmumuni-muni ako dito. And to be honest, the thing that I have in mind is just to tell you guys that sometimes we really have to feel that we deserve things in life. Hindi pwede yung parang laging scarcity mindset tayo or merong imposter syndrome. I am super guilty of that, and that's why nung naglalakad ako nito, parang sabi ko, oh my gosh, kailangan ko gumawa ng isang video about it just to remind everyone na, guys, there are things in life na we have to say na deserve talaga rin natin siya. Because I was just talking to my teammate na parang pag-uusapan ko yung mga wins na, by the way, congratulations to us, guys. We are the top redemption doon sa cloak code sa Jax 5 off. You can still use that code, by the way. And parang sabi ko, oh my gosh, parang nakakahiya siya i-share. Or parang lagi ko naiisip na parang, oh my gosh, deserve ko ba siya? Parang ganun. Pero, lagi ko maiisip na, dapat nga, nasabihin na talaga natin, na deserve talaga natin siya. Because, number one, pinaghirapan talaga natin. Number two, talagang naman nag-travel talaga tayo just to create content. Just to test out, number three, all of those different perks. Saan makakahanap ng pinakamurang discount. Saan makakahanap ng pinakamurang tipid hacks when we're traveling. And that's the thing that makes me love traveling. And it's the thing that makes me want to create more content because yun yung gusto kong sinishare talaga sa inyo. Because more than anything else, basta may isang tao na nakatipid, kahit ng piso man lang yan, because ginamit niya itong card na to versus that card, or ginamit niya itong debit card na to versus a credit card, guys, masaya na ako. Or ginamit niya yung promo code ko. Yes! Yan yung goal. Gumamit kayo ng discounts. Because guys, money doesn't come easy, but, di ba, if we can maximize and stretch our peso, yan ang goal ko talaga. And that's why parang yun yung isang reminder ko today while I'm walking, bilaw ka na ko, while I'm walking down the street ng midnight na walang tao, na we have to tell ourselves we deserve things. We deserve nice things in life, and pinaghirapan naman natin siya, hindi man natin siya ninakaw, hindi rin naman natin kinuha, wala tayong tinatapakan na tao. We deserve it. And that's one thing that I'm still working. I'm not perfect, but that's one thing that I'm working on 2024. And that's a reminder to every one of you guys. Syempre, best, you deserve things in life. And syempre, basta wala kang ginagawang masama, hindi ka naman nababaon sa utang, you deserve it. We deserve all of these good things that's happening in our life. We have to claim it. Yun lang.